For installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. We'll begin in the trunk. To access the inner tail light, we'll need to peel back the trunk liner. Use your trim tool to remove the plastic rivet clips along the top edge. Pop out the inner ring and then remove the clip. Peel back the liner to reveal the inner tail light socket. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket and replace it with the new LED bulb. Replace the socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Now, follow the same steps on the other side. Begin by removing the clip along the top edge. Use your trim tool to pry out the trunk handle. Turn the inner taillight socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED. Push the socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the trunk handle and the two clips. Push the clip back in and then press the inner ring to lock it. Here are what the new inner taillights look like now with all new LED bulbs installed.